Welcome to Lahore, Pakistan, and welcome to Cha with Ma. Today on this episode, we have a very exclusive guest, Rana Numan Haq. आज का नाम जो हक है वो मुझे आज ही पता चला, पहले तो कभी पता नहीं चला था.
45 साल से यही था. So I always had it. It's Rana Numan Haq.
So Rana Numan is a very, very amazing fashion designer in Lahore, based out of Lahore, Pakistan. And I want to introduce a special guest because I think the way he plays with colors, मैंने आज तक ऐसे खूबसूरत colors के साथ किसी को play करती नहीं था. कोई भी मेहंदी हो और राना नुमान का जोड़ा ना हो, ये हो नहीं सकता.
Thank you.
So tell me, Romy, that you know me, right?
Yeah.
That's what I've been calling you.
That's how we know.
We go back a long way. तो लेकिन Meru, right?
Meru, I keep calling you Meru then.
We go back a long way. लेकिन मुझे आज तक कहानी नहीं पता चली कि how did you, बस मुझे इतना पता था राना के कपड़े पहनने और मेहंदी पे जाना है, लेकिन ये पता नहीं चला कि राना के अंदर ये कहाँ से ये स्टोरी चली.
Well, I've told this plenty of times, but I think I always had the knack for it, or because coming from a Punjabi industrialist family, it was always playing with color, and I always saw color in our households. Bade sab jo pehante the kapre, and then everybody used to dress up, and still does. And so I guess I got it from there. And then my father was used to dress up like. Back in days, we used to dress up like Elvis.
Oh my God.
So I guess वो मेरे से तो नहीं पहने जाते but yeah.
That's how
I got it. So it's in the blood.
तो रंगों में फिर पले.
रंगों में भरे हुए और रंगों से खेला और अभी भी खेल रहे.
अभी भी रंग पे खेलते रहते हैं.
और रंगों में खेलने का इतना मजा आता है.
बहुत मजा आता है.
When the life and people around you now suddenly everybody's gone black and grey.
I don't know.
In terms of clothing.
Yes.
It's ridiculous. हर वक्त सिर्फ काले कपड़े पहने, ये क्या बात हुई भाई, ग्रे रंग के कपड़े पे. इतने खूबसूरत रंग है जिंदगी में.
बेशक.
और वो देखो और उनसे सीखो. You know, there's pink and red and orange and fuchsia and purples and you know, you name it and it's there.
और पता है हम सब देसियों की ना warm skin tones है ना, तो cold और grays और blacks उतना सूट नहीं करते. But I somehow
बिल्कुल हमारे लिए तो रंग ही रंग
जिंदगी है
निकलते हैं और रंग ही जिंदगी है. Absolutely. बिल्कुल.
तो क्या वहां से चलते ये तो उस जमाने में क्या कोई बैकलैश नहीं आया क्योंकि सब कहते थे क्या तुमने दर्जी बनना है.
हाँ ना. And then especially when you go to a all boys school, HSN college, तो वहां पे अगर आप आर्ट्स में हैं और फिर अगर आप
दर्जी बनने आपने
ड्राइंग बना ली है, एक फैशन स्केच कुछ सीख के बना लिया है दूसरों को देख के, इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपने कोई इंटरनेशनल लेट्स से कोई वोग के अंदर कुछ देख लिया या सम अदर मैगजीन एंड यू ब्रिंग अ कटिंग और एंड यू स्केच इट आउट, तो उसके बाद जो आपका शौक लगता है.
I can imagine. HSN कॉलेज के दर्जी बनने लगा. इंजीनियर नहीं बनना, डॉक्टर नहीं बनना, लेकिन उन्हें दर्जी जरूर बनना.
हाँ बिल्कुल. And then a family of engineers actually.
Yes.
Everybody वो सारे शुगर लगाते थे. मेरा पागल हो गया ये क्या कर रहा है. और फिर बाद में अब ये है कि I'm probably the only one who enjoys their work, my own work, out of everybody.
I know. I think your work is fabulous. I've always loved your work. So ये बताओ कि what do you see the fashion and Pakistan and coming forward now?
Yeah, I think now fashion all over the world is becoming very global. So it's everywhere. People are pretty much wearing the same things. So in terms of your casual wear was concerned, वो तो बहुत अरसे से ही everybody was wearing the same, we all buy the same brands, we travel, or whoever is wearing jeans or pants or chinos or a white collar shirt, or, that's how it is. But even in terms of wedding wear now, let's say even if I've done like a nice velvet or a Shanghai jacket embroidered with Gara and stonework is something which a Lebanese can wear, or a Chinese can wear,
exactly,
or a French can wear, or an American can wear, and then you can style it differently. And everybody can style it differently. They pick up a Rana Numan blazer and then they can just, dress it up anywhere they like.
Yeah. And folks, Rana Numan is dressing me up for this wedding on Friday. And actually, I'm doing a fusion. So we picked up.
The look is going to be amazing. And I guess by the time this goes a broadcast, it's gone. The शादी must have been.
Yes, Friday को शादी है ना?
शादी हो जाएगी ना?
हाँ, हो जाएगी.
उसकी तस्वीर डाल देंगे.
हाँ. अच्छा ये तो बताओ, अच्छा मजे की बताओ कि क्या कहते जब ये सारी शादियां हो रही होती है, अब मुझे तो बाहर रहते इतना अरसा हो गया है, मैं तो कुछ चीजें भूल जाती हूँ, तो ये सब ये क्या होता है कंपटीशन आंटियों में, लड़कियों में, किसने का जोड़ा अच्छा, किसका जोड़ा नहीं अच्छा, किसने क्या पहना था?
आई गेस ये तो एक प्रोबेबली जब से दुनिया बनी है तब से औरतों में ये चीज रही है.
हाँ.
और रहेगी कि किसने ज्यादा एक दूसरे से बेहतर लगना है. और कैटेगराइज तो हमें बताया गया है कि हर चीज बेहतर से बेहतर से बेहतर. सो वो चीजें तो आप रोक ही नहीं सकते. बिल्कुल नहीं रोक सकते, रोकनी भी नहीं चाहिए. So
that's good for the economy, right? That's good for the shopping.
Great for the economy and brilliant for us.
Yeah, brilliant for you. तो आजकल तो जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है, हाउ आर देयर, बिकॉज हमारे वक्त में तो तुम्हें पता है इतना बनना सवरना और ज्वेलरी का इतना कॉन्सेप्ट होता था और भारे भारे कपड़े पहनना. सो डू यू थिंक कि जो अभी नई जनरेशन आ रही है, जेन जी, या दे आर स्टिल इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स सो मच calm and bhari? And
no, well, I think the techniques have changed or are becoming more delicate. But the amount of work is still the same.
Still the same.
It's pretty much the same. Jewels अभी भी चाहिए. अब diamonds हीरे पहनने हैं अभी भी. हीरे के size बड़े हो गए और delicate design हो गए. So it's everything is there, and with time and over the years, and besides these are trends which change every 20 years. So every 20 years people change like this. Jewelry कम हो जाती है, कभी जोड़े हल्के हो जाते हैं, कभी जोड़े भारी हो जाते हैं. The colors change, they differ. So these are fads which come and go, with the
passage of time.
With passage of time, and that's how it is. So any person actually gets to go by these phases, I think, thrice their life. 3 times their life.
तो देखो तो ना, पहले आप early 20s में होते हैं, फिर अपने 30s to 40s में आते हैं, फिर 40s to आप 60s में जाते हैं, तो आपका फैशन
वो फैशन
चेंज हो जाता है. हाँ,
बिल्कुल. So आप हर कोई उससे गुजरता है. So then it's fun.
So where do you see Pakistan and fashion, in the international market now?
I think we're doing great. The other day we saw, we've been catering to the couturiers have been catering to the international market for quite some time now.
Exactly.
अब जैसे हमारे नए brands जैसे Rasta is doing very well. And
I have to check it out, actually.
National stars have started wearing it.
Wow, yes.
And Timothée Chalamet was wearing it the other day, one of his sweatshirts. And I saw another one today. The international stars have started wearing
Our
it.
truck theme products are doing amazing, actually. Yeah. We did launch some truck theme T-shirts, and they absolutely did amazing.
Oh, they're amazing. They've been there for a while now, the truck theme things.
But I think Nike's produced one of the truck theme.
The whole line.
Yes, exactly.
Of homeware.
We're slow, but we're steady, but we're coming out there.
We're pretty much there. People know exactly what we're doing, and people have started keeping a track. And because of the social media, I feel now everything is now so accessible to everybody. You click on one thing and the whole world is
exactly
in your hand.
Is absolutely.
So, you can just take out any inspiration. You can take out you can do your research or whatever, and anything is possible now.
Do you know what I've also seen? Because obviously, I've traveled a lot, and so like the Korean fashion is there, but they've adopted the Western fashion, like trousers and shirts. But their old traditional wear hasn't evolved that much. Or if you take African culture, but with us Pakistani culture, our shalwar kameez has evolved. our ghararas have evolved. So we have actually brought modernism in our traditionalism as well. So I think that evolvement has picked up the Pakistani fashion in such a tremendous manner that it is, I actually see a huge future for the fashion industry of Pakistan.
About 4 years ago, Chanel did the whole Shalwar Kameez collection.
Exactly, yes.
You know, the long shirts and the pants, the culottes.
Which will never go out. They're the most classy thing ever.
Amazing.
Absolutely.
And they're the perfect house clothing, like loungewear also. For anywhere in the world.
Amazing loungewear, yes.
You wear the linen long shirts with the linen pants and the perfect loungewear.
Absolutely. I think that's...
I think we've made a mark.
We definitely haven't made a mark.
I think we're doing
and I think we're probably going to do better. And I think there's a big road. You guys have worked so hard, and you guys have laid such an amazing road for all of our future generation new fashion designers who are upcoming.
Yeah.
And कहते ना कि रास्ता बना दिया है. अब I hope ये सारे हमारे future generation जो है, हमारी Gen Z और उससे बाद जो Alpha and Gen Alpha आ रही है, ये इस रोड को लेके आगे चले और इसको ज़्यादा.
I think everybody will now because वो जो एक पहले वक्त था ना जब हमारे से थोड़ा पहले वाली जनरेशन थी वो सब लोग अलग-अलग काम करते थे.
हाँ.
और मैं अपना शो कर रहा हूँ वो अपना कर रही हैं वो अपना करके आए और थोड़ा-थोड़ा छुप-छुप के सारे करते थे.
बेशक.
But I think in the past 15 years or so the fashion industry of Pakistan has really come together and we've come as a force.
Awesome.
And we've developed ourselves as a proper industry and we're adding so much to the economy of our country, of Pakistan. It's not even funny. So it's serious stuff.
Yes.
What we're doing. I mean, providing so much work and so much, opportunities to
absolutely
to all
the small skilled industry itni zyada enhance ho rahi hai.
Absolutely to the kapde wala, to the sequin wala, to the dhage wala, to
the cotton industry
cotton industry. We've done so
silk
much.
Industry, huh?
The silk industry, the Karachi looms and the Multan looms are making so much kapda, which at one point used to be exported only, but now everything is being used within Pakistan and of course goes abroad as well. But I think we've made an impact. And we're on the right track.
No, I think every time I'm very, very proud of our fashion industry of Pakistan. Every time I wear my clothes, I just feel out of this world. And I cannot wait to wear your Joda on Friday.
Absolutely.
Please keep tuned.
Looking forward.
Absolutely. It's a new style, which we're styling with Rana Numan.
Yeah.
Yes. And bringing the blend of East and West.
Yeah.
So with that, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming. And it was a real treat after a year to meet you again.
Yes.
And for this also. And I think that we're here. Come back whenever you want to.
Yes. And anybody wants a beautiful Mehndi ka joda or Shadi ka joda or Dulhan ka joda, you have to actually check out Rana Numan's collection. Absolutely. And thank you for chai.
Yes.
And chicken samosa?
Patty.
Patty.
The best chicken patties.
Best chicken patties.